Good morning, guys. The fire alarm went off 6 times over where they were working. I'm gonna try and catch it the 7th time if it goes off again. It went off 10 times now, and I didn't get it on camera. Oh, it's going off right now. Oh, perfect timing. It just went off. Now that's 11 times. I wonder what they're doing. It's either they're testing it or they accidentally pulled it and now it keeps going off. It's going off again. I'll go outside. I don't know why it keeps coming off. Oh. But it's loud. It was going off since 9 o'clock this morning, and it's still going off. I don't know why that keeps going off. So that's 12 times of it going off today. Oh my goodness, it's going off again. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's off. I have no clue why that keeps going off. Well, I know the title for this. It's gonna be 13 fire alarms in one day. Guys, we are heading over to go swimming. Guys, just kidding. We are not swimming right now. We're at a show and then we're gonna swim. We are at another magic show. We are not going swimming. I hope you enjoyed that video.